Not bad at all. But I think I am not keeping the focus on my face. I'm not very good at this camera work. Maybe I'll get better, maybe I won't, but I'll keep going. Yeah, like I said, I think there's some lakes around here. It'd be nice to find one, maybe take a dip. Probably not. But other than that, I'm not really sure what to do until dinner. I shouldn't have prepped so much food. And by that, I mean my sweet potatoes, because it would have given me something to do. And I just realized how tired my arm gets from holding this silly thing up. And I probably look weird, but I just spotted a bunny. Here we go. Not a bad view at all. Yeah, I don't think I'll be hopping in. Not a huge fan of river water. Not here in Nebraska, at least. Either way, I'm glad I could get out and see it. And I'm getting hot.